Hi guys, Winnie here. In this video, we're going to draw my drastic cute Aphmau. So let's get started. With Aphmau, we're going to first start by drawing her face. So right here, I'm going to start to draw basically the bottom of a U. So a nice round curve. It's about right here. Go right around. So a nice little bottom of a U shape that we're aiming to draw for her face. Okay, so we got that shape pretty much in like that. And then from there, because she has bangs and everything, let's draw her eyes first so that we kind of know where to put her bangs a little bit better. So I'm going to come in this area where I started, and I'm just going to draw a big circle right towards the edge. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So right towards the edge. Okay, so then let's make them drastic cute eyes. So I'm going to put two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. Okay, so same thing on this side, two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So thank you so much for all your requests for Aphmau. I know it's just, this one has taken a long time for me to get it to you. I think one of the hardest problems was I was just trying to figure out how to draw her, what outfit to give her, and it was just really hard to figure it out. So hopefully you guys end up liking what I end up coming up with for this. Okay, so I got the eyes in. Now let's draw her very long lashes. I'm gonna come out here. And then I'm just gonna maybe put 3 in. With Aphmau, it's about her eyeliner, right? That dark black eyeliner or something that could give her long, thick lashes. Okay, so I got the eyes in. Now let's come right in the center right here and just give her a cute little smirk smile. Okay, so then from there now we can draw her hair. So I'm going to come in about this area right here and just going to drag down a curve. Going towards her eye, and I'm going to go up, and then I'm going to bring a curve down close to her eye and just curve it out. So same thing on this side, but it's going to go this way because her hair kind of parts on the side. So I'm just going to bring down another bang like that. And so then just bring this back in and sweep it up. So then let's come up here. So this is where her hair parts. So I'm just going to angle it all the way up to about, say, right here. Give her a nice full head of hair. So then from there I'm going to go out and go up. So bring down the parting line. And let's bring this down a little bit more. And I'm going to come around over here. So when I come about right here, I'm just going to bring out a little strand of hair just to mix it up a little bit and then bring it down. So this is kind of like an anime style for Aphmau here. And so then let's bring in some more details to maybe a strand of hair. Kind of cups her face, and the same thing on this side. So another big strand like that. Okay, so then from there, let's From there, oh, I forgot her eyebrows. Let's come up here, and I'm just gonna give her very simple, just a little bit, thicken it up a little bit, and just drag a line out. So a little bit right here, you might see a little bit. Just add that. And so then from there, let's draw her body. So I'm gonna come in the center right here and give her a little neck. And I'm just going to add a curve. And then come down here for her shoulder. From there, I'm going to kind of imagine her armpits about right here. So from that point, I'm just going to bring down 2 angle lines. And I'm going to connect it with a little curve. So she's kind of wearing like a tank top. And from about right here, I'm just going to close off this tank top with a slight curve. And let's draw her shorts. So I'm going to come down, come in a little bit. Bring down her shorts, and towards the center right here, just draw a slight angle line. And then bring down 2 angle lines. And drag this down a little bit more for her shorts, and then just connect it. Okay, so then from there, let's go back up and draw her arms. So this one right here just comes out nice and simple. So I'm just going to drag a line down. So her armpit's about right here. Start from there. And we're going to taper as we come down closer to where her hands are going to be. And from there, I'm going to cap it off because she's wearing gloves. So I'm just going to bring out a very simple hand. So just a curve. And then come over this side, draw a thumb. And just connect it. To add some details right here. And 2 small little lines. Hope you can see that. Okay, so then on this side, she's going to be giving her little peace sign. So I'm going to come in here and her hands bent up. So about right here, I'm going to bring it up. So taper as we go closer. And once again, cap it off. So with this hand, I'm going to go a little bit slower. She's going to have a thumb that's going to be bent. So come up, curve a thumb in and down. And then right here, come up. And then we're going to tuck in 2 little fingers right here. So 1 and a smaller one right here. And then come up here and draw the 2 fingers that stick out. So 1 and 2. And then come in here and draw a little line for the gloves. So be a little line here and here. Okay, so then from there, let's go and draw her legs. So very simple legs, just bring it down. And coming down, just kind of taper it as you go. And about right there, I'm going to cap it off and then just draw her boots. So very, very simple boots. Just kind of tucking it in. And connect. So same thing on here. And connect. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and finish off her hair. So I'm going to come in this area right here. Just draw some strands that come out. And bring it back in. So on this side, let's give it a little bit of curve. Out. And bring it back. So here I'm going to give her some pockets. Some little details on the shorts. And of course, because she is a Draw So Cute Aphmau, I'm gonna give her a little heart right here. In this area, and just give her some cat ears. So I'm basically just gonna draw a curve that comes down. And so let's do the same thing on this side. So say about that tall. Right there. And bring it in. So I'm just going to bring in a curve for her ears, and let's give her a little tail. Why not, right? So in this area, I'm just going to add a little curve all the way back. Now Aphmau is a cat. So there, my Draw So Cute Aphmau. I hope you guys like how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.